In the year 1976, in the central Syrian city of Homs, Al-Matin Group was established as a leading company in the plastic industry field. The company has established its several advanced factories, one for the woven plastic bags and another for the cement-filling specialized bags and one for jumbo bags factories for the high-load materials, and a factory to produce pipes for drinking water and high-pressure pipes. In addition to another factory for the pipes that are specially made for moving the salty water. There is also a factory to produce the greenhouse plastic film and foil packaging for food and for factories. There is also a factory to produce the fiber yarn and the twisting agricultural yarn, and a factory for producing the aluminum plates, which are also known as Alcobond, in addition to a distinct factory to produce the fiberglass pipes, also known as GRP. From the best types of the polypropylene, Al-Matin Group produces the woven plastic fiber bags in different sizes and different types. Some of them are intended for filling the grain, agricultural products, and chemicals, some of which are also supplied with special valves for the cement packing, and these bag industries depend on the purpose of use, some of which are quoted to protect the packaged material from the external influences, and other are micro-performed for the automatic filling system, some of which are manufactured from multi-layers. Jumbo bags. These bags have a capacity of up to 1.5 tons. These bags are made in two different forms. Some are cubic and some are circular types that meet the needs of the market, and they make it easier to load and transport the goods by land, sea, and air. The group also produces the polyethylene pipes from the polyethylene material with high density and resistance to oxidization, and they are intended for transporting the drinking water and the sanitation sewage water and all the fields of irrigation. These pipes come in different sizes and diameters, and they have a very high resistance and durability. It is worth noting that Al-Matin Group has implemented many important projects in terms of the drinking water, such as rehabilitating the Quake River in the northern part of Syria. Or at the other level of sewage and irrigation, it has also proven its effectiveness through the use of several projects. These pipes are in accordance with the approved global model and standards and the latest technical specifications, which are supervised by a group of qualified engineers and highly qualified technicians. The polyethylene sheets are used to cover the greenhouses and the industrial packaging materials and foodstuff, and it is also used for the insulation and lining the surfaces, walls, and lakes. Al-Matin Group has a solid experience and a long history in this field, where the group has implemented several important projects along the eastern area and the eastern coast of the Mediterranean Sea. Al-Matin Group uses the best raw materials in making the Alcobond plates, which meet all the international standards as they are coated with the aluminum and various natural colors, in addition to the flexible polythene, which is fire resistant. They also have a flexible plastic filler between two layers of aluminum as well. Such bonds are also processed using the external protecting material made of the PVDF materials. This material is known for being highly resistant to the harsh climate and a number of chemicals. This keeps the metal shiny, and at the same time it does not lose its basic characters. The Alcobond plates are also available in several sizes and thicknesses based on the measurements and the dimensions of the coated aluminum, and they are manufactured according to the latest requirements to suit all the engineering and construction options for the architects and the designers. The fiberglass pipes are made with an inner layer called sea glass, which is saturated with ricin, and it is known for being resistant and reinforced. This is followed by a base layer of fiberglass and ricin-saturated silicas, and these tubes are designed to meet the high pressures and withstand all the stiffness requirements. The company produces the GRP pipes, which range in diameter from 300 millimeters to 3,000 millimeters and can withstand pressures of up to 32 bars depending on the diameter, with stiffness ranging between 2,500 and 10,000 newtons on square meters. The efforts to develop and to expand the group's factories are solid, of the most important pillars of the national economy, as the group has created the Al-Matin international factories in Saudi Arabia, particularly in the second industrial city near Jeddah, and these factories are on a land of 30,000 square meters. This includes all the Al-Matin products in order to meet the neighboring markets better. Al-Matin Group is always keen on participating in all these specialized local and international exhibitions in order to keep up with the latest scientific and international developments in the fields of the specializations. It is also keen on developing its products, and its factories have many quality certificates in addition to certificates regarding the quality of safety and the quality of management at various levels. Al-Matin Group has paid special attention to exporting products in order to support the national economy, as it is exporting to more than 20 Arab and foreign countries. Al-Matin International Trade and Industry. Be Planet's friend.